Sure. Nakakuha kami ng parking. Pupunta lang kami kay Papi and Didi. Hello, Ayo. Where are you going?
When joy comes to mind, it will light up your heart. And to love you.
So, how's your day?
It's been good. You know how it is. Ayo, got it. Got it.
Mainit ba kanina? Mainit.
Okay lang actually. Mga tanghaling tapat. Pero nung wala na araw, okay. Actually ito, ganito lang sana no?
Yeah. Ayun, naka-short nga. Oh.
Naka-short short.
Oh, naka-short tayo dyan.
Wow. Naka-J1 ang lola.
Of course.
Kaya-
Feeling young.
Yeah.
Feeling young.
My cute assistant, right? This one.
Our turn to take pictures.
Let's go.
Okay. Dala ko yung bag ni Ayo. Ay, yung iwan sa bahay. Ano ba naman ang bag mo?
두근 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 너만 떠올리는 내 맘은 매일 매일 설레이는 예감으로 가득한 걸 처음 날 만났을 때의 그 느낌 날 바라보는
Dinner muna. Bye.
Get your cameras out, fellas, it's time! What? We're fighting a lot in this
So, good na kami. Dami-dami choices. May ibang shop. Wow! Sa labas, meron din tayong pa-pizza. Salamat, bossing.
Talk to you and thinking I walked out and run to your dancing.
May bagong natutunan eh. Okay. Alright.
Yeah! Ayos, pictures. Such a happy little boy. Andito yung friend namin si Karen and Jay! Oh, kakabalik lang nila. May ginawa daw si Ayo.
Hindi kami nakapunta dun sa loob, so naglakad-lakad lang kami. And then, nung naglalakad kami, magkakanan kami sa isang park. Sabi ni Ayo kanina, okay, mamaya-maya magta-transform ako Tapos sabi ko, ano? Dog? Tama, sabi niya transform daw siya into dog. Tapos tinanong ko, anong name ng dog? Dino.
Ayo, you're so funny talaga. Say hi!
With the best assistant.
Yeah.
With the best assistant. Okay, naayos pa.
Sige,
Sorry.
dito. Okay, go!
Ayo.
Picture kami! Yahoo! Sienna and Ayo is knocked out.
Talk to you and thinking I walked out and run to
ganda ng mga anak mo. Saan galing, Turtle?
KKJ.
Okay, sure, sure.